Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhupesh. Hope you're doing perfectly well. So today we are gonna start a new course altogether, specially designed for members. Uh, Grafana full course where you will deal how to install Grafana, what is a Grafana, actually Grafana is a visualization tool, how Grafana is used in IT industry, starting from scratch, taking the data, telemetry data from your Kubernetes and non-Kubernetes source, and then reading that data, metrics, logs, and traces. Then we'll be understanding how we store the metrics in Prometheus, how we store logs in Loki, or for that matter, in Elasticsearch, and how we store traces in the traces a database, whether it is Tempo or a Jaeger or something else. Now, this is the very basic building block, and then we will jump on to the next section of this course, which is called as how we build dashboards, Grafana dashboards, how we create alerts, Grafana alerts, and then how we create alerts and how to enable the infrastructure monitoring, the application monitoring, the log monitoring, the distributed tracing, how we enable synthetic monitoring using Grafana, all open source flavor that we're going to talk about, how we do the front end monitoring or the real user monitoring using Grafana. And last but not the least, we'll see all the application monitoring using OpenTelemetry, SDKs. We'll be showcasing everything with the help of, we'll be showcasing everything with the help of open source flavor. And last but not the least, we'll be dealing how to send emails using Grafana, like how to you can get an alert whenever this breach is happening for a particular 50% or 80 percentage of threshold. And but not the least, we'll try to do certain AI related use cases in this course, like how to use MCP with Grafana, how to use N8N for automated workflows in Grafana. So over and all, this is a complete course not only for beginner, it is a course for who is entering into the industry, who is already in the industry, wants to understand how we can leverage Grafana for cloud-based monitoring or non-cloud-based monitoring or whatsoever. So you can actually get into the details, or you can say the length and the breadth of this Grafana completely in this course itself. You don't need to run here and there. And very important thing about this course is we are doing all the practical implementation. So if you ask me, I'm gonna not teach you theory. So there will be no theory in this session. It will be your practical use cases, industry practical use cases that we'll be dealing in this course. So suppose we are reading how to create a Grafana dashboard, then we'll be definitely creating a dashboard on top of it. How to create alert, we'll be setting up an alert, right? So all these practical things will happen. We will install one Spring Boot application on Kubernetes, non-Kubernetes. Then we will enable the monitoring of that using low code, no code, meaning we are not going to do the instrumentation because I'm not a developer, I'm an operational guy. So how an ops person can enable the full stack monitoring of an application. So right from the scratch, installing, then configuring the application, then doing the complete monitoring of that application, all important pillars. Then you talk about infrastructure, application, synthetic monitoring, real user monitoring, and log monitoring, and distributed tracing. So all these monitoring we'll be dealing it with the same course. So this course may have so many lectures, so bear with me, and we'll be doing all those things in bits and pieces. And if you feel something is being missed in any of your lecture, please put down in the comment section. I'll try to resolve those issues, or try to add those lectures if it is being missed. So so stay tuned. And this was the introduction of the course. I will not take much time because let's get into the straight away in the lecture session. So first lecture would be installing Grafana into a Ubuntu box, where you can see a virtual machine where you can enable the infrastructure monitoring. And the next session will be on the second lecture will be on installing Grafana on Kubernetes, platform to enable the infrastructure and the other related monitoring. And third section will be jumping on to the other aspects of it. So initial two lectures would be pretty easy, installing Grafana on Ubuntu. Third would be installing Grafana on Kubernetes, and then we'll take along the journey. So if I've missed anything, please put down the comment section, or you can put down in my a channel also in my website also. My website is bhupeshdevops.com. You can get other details how you can connect with me one on one and do the mentorship over the weekends. And I deal only over the weekends, no nothing on weekdays. So that is pretty much. Stay tuned and get back to the first lecture or the practical implementation of Grafana. So thank you. Bye bye.